Yes, sir.
Good answer.
Copy editing and headline writing. Copy reading, headline writing.
The copy.
So copy material for a news article. So the text written by the author. And copy reading, it is the art of arranging, correcting, and selecting the quality and type of news. It is also called copy editing. One who edits copies is also called a copy reader or a copy editor. Now, responsibilities of a copy editor. So edits errors and grammar, the spelling, the tenses, the agreement, and others. Edits errors of fact, accuracy, and or the accuracy check. Dayon, edits verbose copy, deletes opinions or slant and libelous statements. Writes the headlines. Yan ang trabaho sa copy editor. Pero ang karon ang may tabo ang pag-design ng idea mo ora no kay kasagaran wala yung mga ideas. Now, you have to memorize the copy reading symbols, no? Di ba na to sa inyo? Disend na to sa inyo, ha? The copy editing symbols. Very basic na this one. This symbol is the instruction is to indent or set in new paragraph. So, kana siya, indent na siya nimo. This one, no new paragraph. So, kung kuha na siya, sumpara dapat. Then, kaning tulog ka, inani, capitalize the first, this one, and the, kada basta na igipanganaan. Bora na gamiton sa copy editor. Then, this one, the slash is, you don't have to capitalize. This one, abbreviate or use figures. Kani, kasi bato na yung senator. Kuan man siya, abbreviate man. Okay. Then kani, basta kaning kuan god in headline writing or in newspapering, kanang one, now you are talking about number. Now, pag usara gani digit, imong gamiton is word. Pag nagsugod na siya 2 digits, kuan ahe na ka magbutang og numbers. Kani, spell out. This symbol is talking about you're going to spell out the words para any government. No? Dayon kani, so this one, transpose, no? Nabaliktad man ang spelling. This one, insert letter. More kani jud itong nahibaw ano kayo kay naanad na tani or kani siya pwede po siya insert word. Parehara ang insert letter or insert word. Kaning iana siya diri. This is you are going to delete a letter. For example, write your name na nunuglag H imo siyang ang H imong anaon. So we have here delete a word. Kani change letter. Pak dayon napagid sa ubos so na change your letter. This one or pwede po na siya sa change word. Then kani lingin do batag tuldok insert period to ara. This one insert comma. Insert apostrophe. Kaning duha insert quotation marks. This one insert hyphen. Kanay siya murag letter Z insert space. Kana the children wala na siya space. This one connect but leave space, no? Siyang i-connect pero butangan siya og space. This one close up. Na bulag. This one restore. This one more. Can I bitang continue or continues on next page or to be continued on the next page? Next page, more ang ibutang ana dayon. 30 end of story. Now pointers in editing. Now, the numbers 1 to 9 are written in words, while the numbers 10 and above are written in figures. 9 students, 13 children. Exceptions, dates, address always in figures. Proper nouns may be written in figures or words. Beginning of sentence, always in words. Events, first, ninth is allowed. Pero kung nagsugod og